Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can play both sides in chess.com in one game. Now, if you want to play both white and black in chess.com, it's quite simple. Log into your account, and once you are signed in, you want to either hover on Learn First. If you don't see the option for Analyze, you want to click on More. So this dropdown will appear, and you want to hover on Train. Under Train, Analysis is going to be there, so click on Analysis or Analyze. There you go. And you're going to be given a board where you can just play both sides. So you can start with white for if you want. You can do this, right? There you go. You can just play this as much as you want, right? After that, it will be good to go. So that is how you actually play both sides. And again, you can actually just review everything here, and you can see the moves. And again, this is pretty much what you need to do if you're still a newbie in chess and you want to play against yourself first. You want to practice against yourself before you start playing against other players in the website. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.